Paano mo malalaman kung legit talaga ang photographer at videographer na kukunin mo? Simple lang, observe how they present themselves. Ang legit na photo at video supplier ay may professional branding, may official page, updated portfolio, malinaw na contact details, at minsan may sariling website. Hindi sila nagtatago at confident ipakita ang kanilang gawa. Isa pa, tanungin mo kung may backup equipment at backup plans sila dahil ang tunay na professional ay laging handa kung sakaling magka-problema ang gamit at higit sa lahat, magkaroon ng personal meeting or online call bago mag-book. Dito mo makikita kung gaano sila ka-professional, maayos kausap, at kung seryoso sila sa trabaho. Tandaan, hindi lang skills ang mahalaga, kundi pati trustworthiness at commitment sa event mo. MC Dreamy Digital Maker. Message us if you are interested to know more about our photo and video service. Thank you!